Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Janet and I share all things painting, from tools I love to techniques you can try at home. And today I want to share with you an amazing easel that is completely compact and ready to travel with you wherever you go. Not only is this easel a travel easel, but you can use it indoors, outdoors, as a standing easel, or on your tabletop. It's really a wonderful easel. It only weighs a couple of pounds and it easily fits into your suitcase. Now this is my carry-on, but it would also fit into a backpack. This easel is incredibly versatile. Pull it open, pull open the back, flip that down, open up, and it's perfect for up to 24 inches high. This canvas is 18 by 18 inches. This clips right on the edge of your painting. And one thing I really like about it is these clips just cover the very edge of your canvas. So if you're painting, this won't interfere with your brush strokes. And using this easel for painting was really a good experience. It was very stable, it wasn't wobbly, it felt very secure and steady. And I will leave a couple of links and a discount code below this video in the description area, just in case you want to check it out. You see, it works great inside on a tabletop. Let's take it outside. So now that we're outside, let me show you how these legs very simply extend incredibly long. Look at this. Look at how tall you can make this easel. There's 3 different joints so that it's completely adjustable. And in order to secure them so that they won't collapse, you just give them a twist, all 3 joints. And once again, you unlock it and pull it down. Because the back of this is on a spring, there's a knob here, you unlock it, and you can just pull this up and clip it onto your canvas. So it really holds it in place. Let me show you, because it's actually pretty windy right now. So as you can see, there is quite a bit of wind, and what I'm really noticing is that the canvas is not catching the wind and toppling the easel over. So it's actually very stable and secure. I'm really happy about that. Another neat feature is that there's actually an outlet at the very top here, as you can see, where a screw type attachment can fit in. Perfect for a selfie stick or possibly a light. It really adds to the versatility of this easel. And don't forget, I will have a link to this easel along with a discount code in the video description below this video. And this easel is also available at Blick Art Stores, I was told, so that's really cool too. And look at how fast and simple it is to fold up this easel. I actually did it in about 3 minutes tops. So what do you think? I think this is not just a perfect travel easel, but an easel I will use indoors and outdoors all the time. Thanks for joining me, everyone. See you soon. Bye.